So in our next experiment, we are going to check the effect of various drug on the rabbit eye. Clear? Effect of various drug into the rabbit eye. So click next page, click into the experiment. Now this is the uh, page it will be coming. Now before that, you just prepare a tabular column like that. Drug, name of the drug, pupil size, right eye, left eye, corneal reflex, right eye, left eye, light reflex, right eye, left eye, intraocular tension, right eye, left eye. Now what is mean by the pupil size? So already you have studied that. For example, cholinergic drug, it is causing the meiosis. That means it is reducing the uh, pupil size. How it is reducing? It is mainly act on the M3 receptor of the present into the circulatory muscle, and it is causing the meiosis. While in case of the anticholinergic drug, what they will do? They will cause the as the antagonist it will cause, and they will cause the mydriasis. Now this is the pupil size. You can find the pupil size. So pupil size, it is increased or decreased, so that you are going to report it here. Similarly, corneal reflex. What is meant by the corneal reflex? For example, if I am touched a small piece of cotton near to your eyelashes, what will happen? You automatically you will close your eyelids. So that is you can say that is the corneal reflex. Clear? For example, I'll just show you. See, if I'm just this is the piece of cotton, so it is eyelid is closed. Clear? Eyelid is closed. Next is light reflex. Now if I hold your eye and if I put the torch in your eye, what will happen? You can find that the pupil size is decreasing. It is the natural response to reduce the entry of the light to protect the eye. So that is we are calling as a light reflex. You can find it. Can you find it? See, this is the pupil size now, and after the on, pupil size is reduced. So that is the light reflex. Intraocular tension. So but in case of the intraocular tension, directly it will show here, so no need to check it. Now what we are going to do, we will take one rabbit. Left eye will serve as a control. That means we are going to give the saline, and right eye we are going to give as a drug treated, and we will compare it. So let's start. So first drug will start as a epinephrine. Clear? Epinephrine. We'll write it here. Epinephrine. Okay. Left eye is the control, so we'll give the saline. Left eye, saline it is given. Okay. Next is epinephrine, inject drug in the right eye. So right eye they have given the inject. What is the first point? Pupil size. After giving the drug, it is the normal, but after epinephrine administration, it is increased. How it is increased? What is the pupil size is increased? So pupil size increase means it is nothing but the mydriasis. There it is the mydriasis. So you can find the mydriasis here. Okay. Now what is the next? Sorry, here the left eye. Just write it normally, as we are considering the left is a control and right is a increase. So it is the nothing but the mydriasis. Clear? Mydriasis. Now in the left eye, torch on. So you can find it. Pupil size is reducing. Pupil size is reducing. So we'll just put the left eye plus. Plus means present. Next is torch on. See, here also it is reducing. You can find it, or it is reducing. So again here also it is the present. Light reflex that we have is corneal reflex, so right reflex is present. Now corneal reflex touch the cotton, so it is closed. Clear? This is the cotton, so it is closed, so it is present. Here you just see, here also closed, so both the cases it is present. So plus plus we are writing. Intraocular tension, it is the normal, so we'll write it as a normal, left eye normal, and in case of the right eye it is reduced. So this is your observation. Now from that what we can find, that epinephrine, it is caused the mydriasis only. Now why epinephrine is causing the mydriasis? Because epinephrine, it is a adrenergic drug. It is act on the alpha receptor, which is present into the radial muscle, and you can say that therefore as it is present into the radial muscle and it will produce the contraction of the radial muscle, so it will cause the mydriasis. The mechanism already we have discussed into that particular chapter. Now for new drug you take the new rabbit. Clear? So new rabbit it is come. So again saline, inject the saline in the left eye and inject any one drug. I'll show one more drug, atropine, right eye. So you write it here, atropine. So not take atropine. Now what you can find it, can you find it again? Clear? Again left eye small and right eye more, so here also it will causing the similar phenomena, that is right side increase, and so it is the mydriasis. Next is corneal reflex, closed, closed. So corneal reflex it is closing, so here also both the case it is the present. Next is touch. Clear? You can find it, say reducing here, sorry, see no change after, before and just after clicking, after there is a no change. So what you can find, that is minus right eye but it is plus, and also we can check that both the case it is the normal only, so it is the normal, intraocular tension normal. So atropine what type of drug? It is the anticholinergic drug. So as an anticholinergic drug it will act on the M3 receptor, it will block the M3 receptor. As a result what will happen? As a result it will cause the dilation of the circulatory muscle, and as a result it will cause the mydriasis. So whereas corneal reflex is present fine, but light reflex, because from there only uh, the nerve innervating to our side, and it is going to the brain, so as it is blocking this particular side there is no transmission of the signal, so light reflex is uh, negative, and this particular phenomena it is known as a cycloplasia. Clear? Atropine it is causing the cycloplasia. So this is one of the important. So like that you have to check with the all the ephedrine, then physostigmine, lignocaine. So all the drug you just test it, and in the during the virtual lab, whenever we are interacting one to one to the virtual lab, that time we will discuss if you have any doubts. Clear? So like that we need to conduct the experiment.